A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived a mother duck and her little ducklings near the bank of the river. The mother duck and her little ducklings went for a walk and were on their way to the lake. All of a sudden, the mother duck saw the fox at the distance. The mother duck was frightened. She told all the ducklings to leave for the lake. She was concerned about her babies and told them to hurry. They all agreed and walked as fast as they could to reach the lake. The ducklings hurried towards the lake. The mother duck was afraid and did not know what to do. Suddenly, she got an idea, and she began to walk back and forth, dragging one wing on the ground. When the fox saw her, he became happy. He said to himself, "It seems like she is hurt and cannot fly. I can easily catch and eat her." Then he ran towards her. The mother duck ran, leading the fox away from the lake to save her children. The fox followed her. The mother duck looked towards her ducklings and saw that they had reached the lake. She was relieved. So she stopped and took a deep breath. The fox thought that she was tired, and he came closer. But the mother duck quickly spread her wings and rose up the air. She landed in the middle of the lake, and her little ducklings swam to her. The fox was stared in the disbelief at the mother duck and the little ducklings. He could not reach, as they were in the middle of the lake. Moral: safety of children is mother's first concern.